Welcome back, guys! Welcome to our 7th ball of our Mini Brands Fill the Fleet Challenge. Let's check what we got. Let's open our ball. Are you ready? Let's pop it up! Let's see if we have another magnet. There you go! We have a new magnet. It's a photo frame magnet. Okay, for our packages, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First, we have our turmeric shot. It's a duplicate. Second, another duplicate. It's our hickory smoke. Third, okay, we have our chocolate jello. Wow, it's a new item. Okay, let's see. For our 4th package, we have a duplicate, our kombucha. Next, we have our 5th, another duplicate. It's our ice bag. And for our last, we have a new one, the thick sliced bacon. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.